What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Ow. Mr. C. Nasty, baby. I'm sorry infinitely that I haven't been on your screens in over 2 months. Believe it or not, I was going through a lot of trials and tribulations that I had to take care of before I could even hop back on screen. Believe it. But you know, I'm halfway there. I'm not even fully healed, but guess what? I have to come back with this message God put in my mind. Listen, people, if God blessed you to be in the presence of somebody and they can't appreciate nor see the value in the present that God actually put in their face, get them away from you. Do yourself the favor and get yourself away from that person while they waste time and waste the energy that could have been yours. You get what I'm saying, chosen ones? Chosen ones out here, there are so many people that would love, and I mean absolutely adore, cherish to be around your presence. They know that your presence is the what? The actual present. You get what I'm saying? It's a present to be around you. If God blessed you to be in their field of vision, to be in their aura, to be in their presence, there has to be a good reason for it. And usually it's because, chosen ones, you know that you uplift people, you know that you inspire people, you know that you heal people through all their trials and tribulations and everything they got going on. You know how your presence makes people feel, even strangers. It happens to me all the time, so I know it happens to you guys. You know what I mean? Listen, if this deceptioneer, this deceptionist, all they do is practice the art of deception, if they can't see the true value of what's in front of them, due to the simple fact that their ego or their pride will not let them, then listen, God is telling me to tell you, you need to remove them swiftly, expeditiously, as T.I. would say, and I'm dead serious, because all those people will do will ruin the status and nature of the dreams that you are trying to accomplish in your life. And I mean it. All those people will do is block the blessings from coming through to you, chosen one. That's all they can do. You know what I'm saying? And I know it's hard, chosen one. I know we have a heart that wants to give so bad. We have a heart that's full of love that just wants to give. You know, we have a heart full of love that wants to give. And even when we don't receive back that same love, we still take it and continue our journey, continue what we got going on, even if we're not getting it from that person. But listen, today should be the last day that you accept that unreciprocated or non-reciprocated. Somebody tell me in the comments, is it unreciprocated or non-reciprocated? But if it's not reciprocated energy coming back to you, you gotta cut them off. You gotta leave them on the corner like a bad habit, due to the simple fact of what I said. Chosen ones, empath, these people will just drain you for your energy, and it'll be almost impossible for you to accomplish your dreams. Nearly impossible if you have this person in their negative energy. Think about it. You're giving so much energy, love, real, true, unconditional love too. It ain't that fake rose gold that you be seeing. Whew, this is that true, unadulterated, raw love. You get what I'm saying? And these people, they get addicted to it when they're around you. They get so addicted to that love, to that energy, to that aura. They always want to be around you, even though they know they don't treat you right or they cannot treat you right. They still want to be around you. Today's the last day that you should accept those people in your life, honestly, chosen ones. Listen, I cut off some people in my life. I had cut off some people in my life that I felt were holding me back from my true potential. And to come to the realization that they were holding me back from my true potential, it hurt. It really hurt, because like I said, I give these people the true unconditional love that comes from a chosen one's heart. You get what I'm saying? That type of love can only be sanctified and blessed from God up above. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is that real true deal, that real deal Holyfield. You know what I mean? And these people, what do with it? They stick a needle in your eye and then they hope you die. Like, damn. You know what I mean? Love is blind when it comes from their side for some reason. they're not even able to love you the same way. They're not. They're not. You need to get them away from you so that you're able to see the goodness in yourself. You're able to see the true power within yourself of creation. And then you'll be able to attract, magnetic style. You'll be able to attract your true love, a true friend, a true individual that will hear you out through all your trials and tribulations. Those are my favorite two words, trials and tribulations. Because chosen ones, we go through it so much, day in, day out. It don't make no sense. But I came to this channel to make a little bit of sense of it, because I go through it every day, every night. Feel me? So I feel like I could come up here semi-professionally talking about these topics. Chosen ones, if they cannot appreciate you, you need to kick them out. You need to throw them out. You get what I'm saying? Like, you ever see them movies with the top secret agents, Mission Impossible type movies? They have that little red button in their car, and when they push it, the passenger seat just ejects out. That's what you need to do to your best friend, your evil twin buddy that's riding passenger side with you every day. You need to hit the eject button. Some of y'all could do it with no warning, but some of y'all need to do it with a warning. You get what I'm saying? Tell them the reason why they're getting kicked out of your life. Just tell them the reason why. You have to teach people how to treat you out here. You get what I'm saying? You have to teach people how to treat you. You get what I'm saying? Because chosen ones, I bet earlier in your life, you let people get away with the BS. You let people get away with a lot of things. Due to the simple fact that you're a God-fearing person. You know that you have ultimate love in your heart. And ultimately things will get better. Nothing stays the same forever. But there comes a time in life where you have to make a decision. You have to make some choices. If you want to get to that next chapter in your life, if you want to even close the whole damn book and start a new book on their ass, you got to kick out some characters. Some characters are not meant to be in every single chapter of your story. It's as simple as that. And you know it too. If you're watching TV to the point of this video, please get those people out of your life today. And watch how much lighter you feel. Like, I swear, you'll feel like the baggage is being lifted off of your shoulders. And chosen ones, as earth angels, we should not have any human baggage on us. You get what I'm saying? These humans and the same things that they complain about, their little first world problems. They don't know what they want to have for dinner. They're upset at their boss. They don't want to go home. Their children are acting crazy. Tell them you don't care about their little monkeys and you're just worried about yourself right now. You got things to do for yourself because you have a goal and you have a vision of things you want to see accomplished and manifested in your life. So you have to cut those people off ASAP. Oh, your boy C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself is telling you the message right now. I took off 2 months to come back today for somebody to hear this message. And I'm going to try, people. I'm going to try to make sure I'm back on here every day for the message. But it's not easy. It's not easy. I feel like once you try to help people, that's when Satan sends his demons even more after you 10 times even harder. I'm dead serious. I've been going through it, man. Maybe I'll make my next video is what I've been going through, man. It's like a lot of dark night of the soul energy. But I've been ranting for almost 10 minutes. I'm glad to be back, baby. It feels good, And I hope somebody could enjoy the message. And if you enjoy the message, listen to the outro because I love my outro. All right, listen to it. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Don't mind the dog. One love.